Hey folks and folkaroons, how you doing? This is Greg McLeod from the Forex Cash Machine, and it's so great to be with you on this terrific Tuesday, the 22nd of May, 2018. And right now I'm trading the dollar yen. We're looking at taking it short. Basically, we've got a nice little consolidation triangle right here. We see price breaking south and moving on down. So we're going to look at, we've got the four different positions open. We've got an account here. It's a $2,000 account. We're going to scale this $2,000 account and see if we can double it or triple it, this account. And so be watching, just watch what's going on here as we do some video, and you'll be able to see the results and see how we do. All right, so right now we've got a couple of positions open and they're coming into the green a little bit, but we're expecting price to actually move a little farther down, like down here. This is our take profit here. We're looking to get about 21 pips, and that'll give us about $200 or so on these positions, and that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 times, probably about 800 bucks. So we'll be really close to getting a good percentage, about 40% in our account, if it goes to target as we anticipate. Okay, so stay tuned and watch it, and we'll be right back. Hey traders, how you doing? This is Greg McLeod, and sure enough, as I had predicted, we got the dollar yen, and it has dropped a little bit. We're up about 2 pips on several of our positions, so we're in the green on all of them. Now the last position is actually the euro. It's right behind my head here. If I can move over here, you can see that is the euro right there. It's the euro USD. So and usually the euro and the dollar yen go in opposite directions. So I said we'll probably throw that in there too and kind of really push this out. So I'm using half my margin on this particular trade, but you can see that in just a matter of minutes we're up pretty good, 3.1 pips, 2.0. We're up a total of about $52. 52 gross is 83. To subtract the commissions, we're at $52. So $52 in just a matter of minutes, and so we got in this trade about 7:09 Eastern time, right? And right now it's 7:20, so we're making pretty good progress. Just don't want it to fill up the space with a lot of fluff, though. But I just want to see, I'll show you what is possible when you have a system, when you have mentorship, when you have experience. You'll be able to create these kinds of gains. So a lot of people may even say, well, gee, I have a small account and I can never do what Greg does. And the reason why Greg is so successful, or his students so successful, is because they have hundreds of thousands of dollars to work with. But I tell you, it didn't start with hundreds of thousands of dollars or millions of dollars. I started off just like where you are with $1,000, and I was able to triple that to make it $3,000. 300%, not bad, right? But I can show you how we can do this on a daily basis to have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% return on your investment. And just think, once you know how to double account, you have that skill for life. And it's a skill worth learning, right? It's something that I didn't learn at UCLA, and they're not teaching it at Dartmouth or Harvard, and God bless those schools. Education is the path out of poverty and to help change the world. But I tell you, if you want to change your pocketbook right now, you don't have 4 years, and you don't have 8 years or 12 years for more school. You need 8 weeks to be able to turn your stuff around, turn your ship around, so you can have financial freedom. So we'll go ahead and I'll come back to this trade, and we'll show you how you can join and get involved and learn this skill, the skills that pay the bills. Be right back. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, and here we go. We're still following the dollar yen trade, and we're up about 7 pips, 6.7 pips on different positions, and so our total net gain is about $225. So basically we got a 10% gain if we were to close everything out right now. Okay, and I got targets down here about 110.05. Currently we trade about the 110.20, 110 about the 110.20 level, and we keep coming down from there. We've got this nice, really this long bearish move that we have, and then we could probably come back and tag that whole number round number support, and that would clear us out on our trades, and we would have made a pretty good gain from our entry if we were able to measure that out from our entry. And we have entries somewhere in here, so we're looking at about 20 pips, about 20 pip gain. So and that 20 pips at $10 a pip, I'm trading we call it 1.0 position, and a 1.0 position, each pip is worth $10. So 20 pip would give us a $200 gain. And so far, it's about, we'll be in this trade for about an hour. But an hour to make $200 is not too shabby off a $2,000 account. Okay, but we're going to go ahead and let this continue to roll on, and I want to have it on record as a video on this this terrific. What is this, like Wednesday? Actually, Wednesday, the May 22nd, 2019. Okay, we'll be right back to show you how this trade finishes out. Take care. Bye. Hey guys, how you going? This is Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University. So good to be with you here. And we've been following this trade that I've been placing on the dollar yen. We're making lower swing highs and lower swing lows. We got in about 7:09 Eastern time, and right now it's 8:27. So about an hour and 20-something minutes. We're already up $361 on our $2,000 account. You're looking at a very good rate of return. We're looking at what from 2000 and making another $361 is about what, 18%, almost about 20%, almost 20%, 18%. So we're going to go ahead and start closing these out. And very simply, I just click the button and you can see that I just close the trade from the entry. I'm going to close this one down. And just peel some off the top. I'm going to peel off this euro that's been down there too. We're at about 12 pips on that. We'll go peel that off. That's $93, and we're going to take that one too. Okay? And so that's it. We're going to look at our trades for today. And we see we made $390.44. That's about, a 19% return on investment in a very short amount of time. Basically, it took us about actually it's about 9:28. So 2 hours to make about 19%. Okay. Now, if you want to find out more about how to do this, and you want mentorship, because mentorship is the key. It's one of the pillars that I teach. Click the link below and watch the free training. Now, the free training will help you understand more about the markets. If you've never traded before or never placed a trade, then this free video training will help you. So go ahead and click the link, enter your email address and your name, and then go ahead and you'll be able to access that free training. Now, at the end of the free training, there is an invitation for you to talk with me personally. Now, usually I charge clients about $1,000 an hour, because if you can make $390 in a couple hours, you figure $1,000 to talk to someone to figure out how to trade and make money like that. It's worth $1,000. But for you, and for you watching this video, it's absolutely free. All you gotta do is click the link and choose a time that fits your schedule, and then you can give me a call, and then we'll talk about your trades. We'll talk about how to improve your trading, and usually with a 30-minute phone call or so, that's probably all you need to really get your trading on the right track. You need someone to talk to, a mentor or someone that can help you and guide you. Your wife doesn't want to hear about your trading. Your dog doesn't want to hear about your trading. Your kids don't want to hear about your trading. And everyone's looking at you and saying, well, look, when you make $1 million, I'll listen to you. Okay, I got news for you. When you make your $1 million, you don't have to talk to them. Okay, unless you want to. But you need someone to talk to, basically, to get out of your own head so you can learn how to make proper decisions so you can make money as easily as I just made it right here. You see how easily I made that money from target to entry, and I narrated this. So, and it's a 10-minute video, but hopefully you get the idea of what it takes to actually make it in this market. Watch the free training. Then after you watch the training, schedule a call with me. And then if you want to work further with me, if you need more help, then we can see if we can work with each other further. Okay, we're running some really cool specials for Father's Day, and I want you to be able to take advantage of our brand new product that we're launching called the Forex Cash Machine. So make sure you ask me about that pre-trial or that pre-launch special discount for you. It's Greg McLeod signing out. Peace and pips, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.
If you want to learn more about profiting from the Forex market, go to www.theforexcashmachine.com and sign up for a free training webinar. Get the secrets from Greg as he reveals how to earn limitless income. Learn more to earn more.